just bought your first firearm. The thrill of owning a powerful tool for protection or sport is undeniable. But wait, did you account for the hidden costs? In 2025, owning a firearm isn't just about the price tag on the gun. Today, we're breaking down the unexpected expenses every gun owner needs to know. Before we dive in, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Stay informed about firearms, gear, and everything in between. Let's get started. Owning a firearm is a responsibility, and training is non-negotiable. Let's start with the most critical expense: your skills. First, you'll need to invest in range fees. Whether it's a public or private range, expect to spend $15 to $30 per session. Over time, that adds up. Then there's professional instruction. A basic firearm safety course can range from $50 to $200. But advanced tactical training or concealed carry courses can climb into the hundreds. And let's not forget ammo costs. Practicing regularly means burning through hundreds, if not thousands of rounds a year. Depending on the caliber, you're looking at 30 cents to $1 per round. Multiply that by your training sessions, and it's no small expense. Training is essential to becoming a competent firearm owner, but it's also one of the most overlooked ongoing costs. For new owners, many ranges and instructors now offer subscription-based training programs. These plans, costing around $50 to $200 monthly, provide unlimited range access and structured lessons, helping you spread out costs while building consistent skills. Next up is storage and security. Safeguarding your firearm is not just a legal requirement in many places, it's a moral one. First, there's the cost of a gun safe. A reliable, fireproof safe can start at $200 and go well over $2,000 for larger, more advanced models. If you're a collector, you'll need something that grows with your arsenal. For quick access, many people opt for bedside lockboxes. These run between $50 and $300, with biometric options on the higher end. Don't forget trigger locks or cable locks. While they're less expensive at $10 to $40 each, they add an extra layer of safety, especially in homes with children. Proper storage isn't just about theft protection, it's about keeping everyone in your home safe. Additionally, advanced smart safes are gaining popularity in 2025. With app-controlled access, remote monitoring, and tamper alerts, these high-tech options can cost upwards of $500. Like any tool, firearms require maintenance. Neglect it, and you're risking reliability when it matters most. First, you'll need a cleaning kit. Basic kits start at $20, but higher quality caliber-specific tools can push past $100. Lubrication and solvents are ongoing expenses. A bottle of gun oil might only cost $10, but frequent use means restocking multiple times a year. And then there's professional servicing. While most gun owners can handle basic cleaning, detailed inspections or repairs might require a gunsmith. Expect to pay $50 to $100 per visit. Regular maintenance ensures your firearm is reliable and extends its lifespan. But it's a recurring cost you can't ignore. Newer maintenance trends include ultrasonic cleaning services. For about $50 to $80 per session, these deep cleaning machines restore your firearm to pristine condition, perfect for intricate models or collectors. Firearm ownership comes with legal responsibilities, and staying compliant can come with a price tag. For starters, there are permit fees. A concealed carry license, for example, can range from $50 to $150, depending on your state. Renewal fees add to that over time. Then there's the cost of background checks. In many states, you'll pay $10 to $50 for each firearm purchase. If you live in a state with mandatory registration or additional licensing, expect to spend some more on compliance. And let's not overlook legal insurance. Firearm owners often invest in self-defense legal protection plans, which can cost $15 to $50 per month. In the event of a defensive shooting, this could save you thousands in legal fees. Increasingly, jurisdictions require firearm safety certifications to purchase certain models or ammunition. These certifications often involve additional classes, costing $100 to $300 depending on requirements. Customizing your firearm can enhance performance, but it's also a rabbit hole of expenses. First, there are optics. A basic red dot sight might cost $100, but premium options can exceed $1,000. Then you have tactical lights and lasers. A quality light can run $50 to $300, and adding a laser increases that cost. Grips, stocks, and triggers are other popular upgrades. Each of these can range from $20 to $200 depending on the brand and quality. While accessories can improve your shooting experience, it's easy to spend more on upgrades than the firearm itself. In 2025, modular systems like the SIG P320 platform have grown in popularity, allowing owners to swap calibers or frames. While versatile, these modular components can add $200 to $500 to your total costs. Finally, let's talk about ongoing costs like ammo and range memberships. Ammunition prices fluctuate, but in 2025, 9mm rounds average around 30 cents to 50 cents each. Shooting a few hundred rounds monthly quickly adds up. If you're a frequent shooter, a range membership might save you money in the long run. Annual fees range from $150 to $500, depending on the facility and perks. Many ranges now offer family or multi-user memberships, letting households share access for around $600 annually. It's a great way to encourage responsible ownership within families. Between ammo and memberships, regular practice isn't cheap, but it's essential for responsible ownership. So, what's the true cost of owning a firearm in 2025? It's not just the price of the gun. Training, storage, maintenance, compliance, accessories, and regular practice all add up quickly. Does that mean owning a firearm isn't worth it? Absolutely not. But it's important to go in with your eyes open and budget accordingly. Responsible ownership means being prepared for all the costs, not just the upfront ones. What hidden costs surprised you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content on firearms, gear, and training. Stay informed, stay safe, and we'll see you in the next one.